emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform.
St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugwa mutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara rya certificate. Abeji ni bashomese bw'abakugu kandi bahebo mchakwe kwatiro mu bari kwega.
Nyongera kutanjera eshaha nibiri zechirukana eshaha z'amakuru Agacencwire oruga kusya hondi Elias Rutugusa omudumizi w'amahiga yitaka Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga yagira ngo abazahambuki ba ADF ababire bekorira zina omukuteganisa abatura okurga omubukika obwihanga rya Democratic Republic of Congo na ihanga erya Uganda ubwa hati babatuntumwire kandi tubacine manugona.
Lieutenant General Kayanja Muhanga okugamba byo kwirinda bya Congo nobwabira rya mukoro ogukindwa abadumizi ba Operation Shuja ubwo budumizi ubwishwe kweteki burukurwa mu mikono ya Major General Richard Otto burukuza mu mikono ya Major General James Birungi. Omukoro gubera hambuga nkuru za Mounted Division ezirkushango mu nkambi ya Mahe ya Muhoti omurembo football tour.
This operation I can show you is a success.
Asante sana.
That's why here you will see even the Congolese now are Eastern DRC. They are sleeping very well in their homes. Just a few far away where you hear they are trying to reappear, but it's a very weakened force now. So here we are. Everything has been done. So I want to congratulate the commanders and our forces in the DRC, including the Congo Army, because we work together.
Abayeri ya UPDF bakwatanise n'amahega Congo umwaka w'2020 bakatandika wicwe kwetesho bayetsere Operation Shuja n'ikigendera eco kurwanisa abazahambuki ba ADF okubayihumbuka bwihanga area Congo. Major General Otto umukugamba kwe bwanyuma yo kereza y'ubudumizi bwa Operation Shuja atendereza abantu babirijo kurwa mu ihanga area Congo abo kwatanisa nawe umukurwanisa abazahambuki aba ADF.
It's not easy to operate in a foreign country, especially if you are rejected by the host community. But they supported us, we work with them, we are still with them, and we continue being with them. The two generals, more general, please, our appreciations to the support given to us by the people, and we are so grateful.
Major General James Birungi turikuganiraho nawe araganise kwarwisha kutanshiraho mukuru akomere ho kurwanisa abazahambuki aba.
Ndakusima abo bushoborozi kureba ngo banyisigire bankwatse ikintu nk'iki ikintu cyorobi umanya iki n'ikintu cya region nebikorwa bya ADF yose ne korum kitwekeki kandi no kutugaruka inyuma ngeje gakora ibintu binjyomo mwenu nyenda kuhamiza ngo kurigira remen wembe ni nkora nka Chief of Defense Intelligence and Security emenu mwegebe kwa train munonga n'ibya ADF mwenu kugobo wataho na okusupportinga kwa CLF oyo serekunu na CDF abatufirumuna kandi ubu twena twaburwa command in chief yoni manyangu ADF yahwira mani
nebishweke bindi bya Uganda tukahurira bomu yona umbiro bino bitumazire n'aba UPDF bari Congo choka hakabaho kufa ku Congo yirukira bijya batamu Uganda bayokisomero ka CS rubiri ha secondary school nicyo choka kimwe cyakabaho kuruga abantu bane bagenda Congo.
Gasha kwa Jonan Tsingwire.
Webare Jonan Tsingwire ntugumizamu na namakuru polisi omucanga cya Bunyoro Elione Chondoza umuringo ubwo polisi bire natendeka aba polisi ahitendekero Elia Kabadie umurumasindi ayisurwemo amasasi. Yobu polisi rya Kabadye omuri district ya Masindi bagwerirwa kagwe bwanyuma y'amasaso kwitomwa hari abapolisi ayitendekero ry'obupolisi ryakabadye omuri district ya Masindi bagwerirwa kagwe bwa nyuma y'amasaso kwitomwa hari abapolisi ayitendekero ry'obupolisi ryakabadye omuri district ya Masindi bagwerirwa kagwe bwa nyuma y'amasaso kwitomwa hari mutusasire habwako storage ntijagaruka tujubasiho ombwijire twagumizabu omukama wa toro oyo nyimba kabambiguru araganise okushadzika emirimo a factory y'omwani eya Inspire Africa Coffee Park omuri district ya Ntungamo ebi abagambiro bwabire ari mu rutaya yo ha factory zi hamwe na no kuhamya mukago ogwatoro na factory y'omwani eya Inspire Africa Coffee. Omukama wa toro oyo nyimba kabambiguru araganisa okushajika emirimo ha factory y'omwani eya Inspire Africa Coffee omuri Ntungamo ebabagambiro bwabira ari mu rutaya yorwe a factory ya Inspire Africa Coffee okutomukona handagano eyo mukago gwa toro na factory zi.
The coffee prices that are being given to farmers now are going to improve because at the end of the day, our aim is to make sure that our household incomes, people to live in middle income status in rural areas.
Your Majesty, we are at a war for Africans to understand that we cannot and anymore sell our raw materials because then we're disposing and selling the jobs of our young people to only allow them to go and start working for $300, $400 when they will be earning that from here, Your Majesty.
Orutaya yorwaking oyo ahari Inspire Africa norwejaho government riyone inegeze huru eyo konzera manu mucingwa cy'omwani okwetorori hanga.
I see another coffee marketing board coming now in a different way. In the private board, in the private sector board, but going to support our farmers to get more money than this exploitative system that we have patronized for some time.
And that's the reason why these people are here today, to learn and understand that we cannot export our jobs anymore. Instead of the country.
Hati factory neza kubonetereza ekintu ekihwere ekyo nikimanyisa ngu ntuza kutunga mu munonga omumbyo gumantwara ekitahwere ngo bakereze kuriya bagaruke bakituguze ntuza kuba hatine ntutwara ekintu ekihwere so ni shabanya Uganda kongera munonga omukwinga omwani batemwa amana byingi kandi ntuza kugezeho kure ngo twashomesa
ecyanga cya toro nicyo mwahabyango mu Uganda ebiro kuhinga umwana mwinji enshonga habwenshi abebembezi bebyo butegetsi na nabe byo bahango mucanga bari mu kutawenteka teka zo kuronda katare kago amakuru agagasha kwa Elias webare ele achiza enjura y'umuyaga hamwe na n'urubare bicwekerize Misiri hamwe na n'intoke byasaga batura batine cyo kurya umuri district ya Buhweju ekigwerezeti kibiro mu rukagwa kamukaki ogurukushangwa omugombora ya Karungu kandi amaka agarukurenga 200 obwa hati nubwo gariyo mu mberambi. Enjureji etandikire kugwa shaha nkamwenda zihangwe nukwe kwijera mu muyaga n'urubare kandi bisigire bihingwa nke bihimba n'intoke hamwe na namaju bisisikire abaturani bagira ngo tumurundo go kubanza bari kwikwa kw'ikigwerezeki
bituru kubibantu megamente turere twine butoro makagajezire tkoreki bantumwe
abantu banje bino busasi buhango munonga intoke zigenze tune cyo kuriya yezo zakumbagara bingi twineho kurara abwo kuba ejo nyingi zigenzere intoke zagenda emyani ya sisikara za muhogo za sisikara bwe no mwizina ya government twino busasi buhango munonga
abatura nibagira ngo bwa hati tibine cyo kuteka amahega no kwe kushaba government na nabebembezo kubirukanjera
turent bona twino kurara twine cyo kurya tkoreki twafite obesteke chisteke myata turye ki
amajuga agwa intoke zagwanura twemeriremo mwentu twine kiturate yabo kuba twine bwe korugona tushaba government igira kiya tutambikira y'abantu tutakanaga abantu
abebembezi begomborezi bashira umucangeci nokwe kuhumuriza abatura kandi nubagira ngo baza kuhandika bona abashirwe kwekigwereze cyo kubarondera ubuyambi.
Office ya Prime Minister konka office ya Prime Minister yetaka responding jire nutushaba bona abakubasa kutujorero obuyambi abantu buntu abakubasa kubasa abebitongore ebyo kuyamba abantu kutuyamba kukwatira abantu bitu nango mulingo gomutano kubahereze cyo kurya.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Juliet Charlesima. Webare Juliet Charlesima rekanga kembasiho story ya ompolisi omucanga cya Bunyoro eriyo necondoza umuringo ubwo umupolisi benatendeka abapolisi ayitendekere lya Kabadye omurumasindi ayisurwemo amasasi. Abapolisi ayitendekero ry'obupolisi lya Kabadye omuri district ya Masindi bagwerirwa kagwe bwanyuma y'amasaso kwitomwa haryabo ababireno batendekwa obupolisi ayitendekereri. Omugambirizi wa polisi omucanga cha Albert Julius Hakiza Arani nagira ngo kucondoza okutandikireho okumanya umuringo ogw'amasasi gisire mu James Tembo enzarwa ya district ya Bundubujo.
Turione tucondoza okufa k'umusirikare witu ayitira amasasi mu district ya Masindi mu training school yitu ya Kabadye ogwo umusirikare yakumanywa ka Tembo ayitira amasasi cyonka ko zise mbundu yo musirikare ndo waberaine umusirikare ni bagade Onek Francis ya mwembundu yayitira amasasi ya feraho.
Hakiza nagira ngo bakwasire umupolisi Onek Francis okubayambaho mu kucondoza ahabwo kushanga embundiye eriyo mikono yo mugenzi Tembo.
Onek tumwino mu cyome atuyambe okucondoza habireho ki embunduye ihendiro mu mikono ya disease data abo kuba embundu muntu yasayiningire embundu niberye yeye kukozesa emirimo ya gisayiningire kukozesa cyonka hariyo embundu eriyo mu mikono ya Onek niye eyisire Tembo. So twenda kumanya embundu ogwa gikwasire wata bibire ubutakanda sayiningire mbundu kani Onek.
Ebikorwa by'embundu kutwara amagaraga abantu byeyonjira umucanga cya Bunyoro kandi ogwo no mushango gwa kashatu mu kwezi kumwe. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ambrose nwagaba Katoto. Webare Ambrose nwagaba Katoto. Amakuru gitu no basa kugareba live aha YouTube at TV West Uganda no kuratara emjendererwaho eitwateka aha Facebook, Twitter hamwe na Instagram kubasa kubanoreba amakuru ago live ningashi no zaha YouTube asumu yawe ninga computer no ronda TV West UG a YouTube no bano tureba live naza kumuraho ningaruka na namakuru agande.
Simwe amazina ganje Commissioner Gertrude head teacher kino integrated primary school. Mbweno ba old boys, old girls, all the old students. Buzumane kintu kirungi kuyija kujaguza ukwishwe myaka igana no kusima ruhanga aho myaka igana yishomereri kandi buzumane kintu kirungi nkabashomera aha kwijwe ishomereri shomereri rushobiza abantu bamana munonga nekintu kirungi bwe n'ubuzima nkimwe bashomire kino ni integrated primary school kurugaru kumye rwenda abirnebero buyatandika bona buzima maraho tokire nangwa buzima muka supporting ishomereri financially obuhabuzi byona buzima nimba buza muri izira y'ubuzima mwebari.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Welcome home to entertainment. To Wi-Fi everywhere. To high-speed internet. To security. To first-class support. To convenience. Welcome home to MTN WakaNet, superior internet for every home. Visit www.mtn.co.ug/WakaNet. Welcome home. Together, we are unstoppable.
Fins Medical University yonka omubyo kutendeka by'obushaho byonka omuri East Africa neyeto kushaba ahabwa intake ya July na August omashomaga Bachelors of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery, Bachelors in Pharmacy, Bachelors Nursing, Bachelors in Midwifery, Bachelors in Medical Education or Tutorship, Bachelors in Laboratory Technology. Naza program is a diploma ezirimu Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Weekend Program, Nursing Weekend, Midwifery Weekend, Medical Education hamwena neza certificate ezirimu Nursing and Midwifery, Pharmacy hamwena nezindi nyingi. Tushirire ahitajirite rukuru omuri Poto ningashi oteresimu noti mushanju munana mushanju chinana nemwe ashatu nitano nshanju nitano narishi tutayire ahachibanja chitu www.fmu.ac.ug. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni.
Yakweha utamuha umudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni. Wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinge. Nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni.
Legenda ya chini chocho kunywa chonka.
Mpenkoni ni kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija. Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe.
Sinza kutambura ngashimye de kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nyuwako tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi.
Mpenkoni wachinkorire
Skylight Hotel, restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City. Ahi barukhereza breakfast, ngakatogo, omelette, Rolex, shumbusha, chapati, chai yamate, eyo mukaru, akatunda ko murembe nebindi.
Bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi hangwe. Nibateke nkoko, embuzi, echenyanja, muchamo, obushaza, akaru, ekitoche, echozi, emondi, greens, obutura, eshwiga, kande cyo kunywa. Chigenderaho.
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe. Aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City. Breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira.
Bine bara yo murembe. Pool table, sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel ne shangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kache aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete. Ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36 33.
Manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mwareka turwo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngu okushara keke ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara keke tukazakunywa mbogo
na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yonka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje.
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad n'amashimerwa minji ntabarusi yabo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora cyanyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service, airport security, aviation stewards, check-in agents, landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga not mushanju ina itano ninga not mushanju ina not rukumi.
Umukoro kutaliko kofi kombucha bareno mukoro wawe kabagambi mbaga ngatiriko kofi kombucha ngaturi Buganda kombucha abantu baje kujja na mugamba omuwara nga Buganda kombucha gana abantu kujja kumbaga aba Buganda kombucha muleta wano kofi kombucha na Buganda kombucha mbaga bagituziriride bagambe kumbaga tukuri bantu Buganda kofi kombucha
Buganda kombucha kariwa sinjiru kumiroka ne Buganda coffee na yali kurukumiroka Buganda kombucha.
Abaruka yuko mukahumuro ntugumizamo na namakuru umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa West Ruwenzori Right Reverend Barnabas Bijuka arabwire abanyadini obutija kwejumbera omubururu bwo kubaganisamo abantu na no kuretaho emhondano omubebembezi.
Right Reverend Barnabas Bijuka uriyo mureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa West Ruwenzori Diocese okabura abanyadini okurwanza utamanko bw'omakano bwabira yo muruterane urw'abanyamakuru urubeira hambuga nkuru z'ubureberezi obu umutawuni kansi ya Bundu Bujo district ya Bundu Bujo.
I encourage every religious leader to involve in politics by electing leaders. We need to elect leaders who are God-fearing. But I discourage them from standing on pulpits to say, vote for so and so. By so doing, you will be separating the people. But all of us, we have the right to vote for leaders.
Umureberezi Bijuka yongera agira ngo aba batakayijumbira mu kurondera abo bona abetsimbireho ubururu hamwe no kugira ngo abatura baterera ubururu barukwejekerera dini zitari zimwe na zimwe.
So I don't want any religious leader to disorganize people, telling people vote this, encouraging people even to vote on tribal or religious lines. But let us vote God-fearing people in reference to our motto, for God and my country.
Jared Bemanya urumukuru w'abakristayo ninga shade of light nangwa we asimire nkwatanisa hirwagati y'abayicuriza hamwe n'abakuru b'amadini.
It's not an easy task, my Lord Bishop, to manage human beings. The clergy have proved that they are the right shepherds to look after the Lord's sheep, because without them, work would be very difficult down in our churches.
Ubureberezi ubu kwihabutandikaho abirabira na mshanjwe kweza kwa mnane kumibiri abirnena ubwahati bw'inamakanisa 14 za parishes 16 hamwe n'ubusabadikwana bushatu. Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.
Webare Gilbert Muhanguzi kimwe abiretira abanya-Uganda babura ku rwomboro okurejera ahari umukuru w'ibyo bushubuzi omuri Ibanda municipality abinje nibebembezo kurya konka baremwa okubika konko kwenda kumara hwikizubeki aba Mahame Financial Services Cooperative Limited begura kwitazi omuri omutawuni ya Ibanda.
Omukoro ogu gwabaguriyo gwo kwigura hitaji ya Mahame Financial Services omutawuni y'Ibanda ogwatandika no kutambura kandi okutongoza kwayebemberwa abakuru ba bankeji na nabebembezi omuri Ibanda.
Moto yetu ya Mahame United for Development okweterana hamwe abo kutunga no mu misho
ibana ntujumanya nk'abantu b'ubuhinzi kandi abantu bakani twabaretera products z'umwana tuza kuzidesigningire uko umwana uko kugenda season zanyu tuzimanya tware sente urebwe washashura umwana ugurabe gwagize guta wezire
abamuhame aho baza kwigurira itajeri umuribanda twamanyisibwa ngo bine portfolio ya biliyoni 5 kandi nibahora sente okutandikira ha mitwari 10 okuhika ha miliyoni 50
amataji gitu kubona gar connected wano ende sente aho kwenda kubona no shanga twine branches ziti 10 oboro member wa branch ahora arebe cyapa cyamba uzi kuba kwiriza sente abo kube sente zigista zuru iwe chikuru echo akapapara kuye isente karumu echikuno kukayuka jotunywa amazina ganje nabanyetananka echana cyo waheza kuzayo baza kuchikoreka tubiyino mu computer zone
habaho nakagisha ako kwegesa abo abahika ha mukoro
amazango abanyibanda sente twazetanga kandi ko kutose twakira sakwe zindi kazachikara bapikozi n'izindi rimwe twabakira
abebembezi bagamba bimwe aha birungi ebirukwijana bankage
tujya umugisha kugira ngo sako ya muhame eyikirize kuri titani okurendo bahereza ni at the people is very key n'ekintu kikuru mnogo umuntu abe nakambara kaza kuriya atokweza wa musya nawe umuswahili natera kukazi kwenu kazi ato mu rwego rw'abanyibanda nyenda kubashaba twa bijaba tunga chance tube ambassadors
branch ke kwizaha kiretereta ko yitu ya kurakurana kandi kiretera abantu banje bibanda bagira alternative aho kucuzinga ni wenze mwene banga kuzukwiza nyingi zisho buhereza ombantu okuhereza za roni nangu na banka nzihereza abantu emirimo nangu za banka ziretera icyeka cyatunguka
gasha kwa Timothy Mushabe umuribanda
webade Timothy Mushabe ubwo ab'ekibina cya NRM kiriyoni cyetebekanisiza ubururu bw'ekibina abari ku buteza no ku butebekanisa harengo rw'amagombora bete ba registrar babangwirwe umuri district ya Kyegegwa aba bahijirwe ubutagwero rubaju
okubangurwa kukorirwa ha office za NRM omutawune ya Kyegegwa kandi kukorirwa yo samba agenda orukurre byoburoro mu office ya NRM mu district ya Kyegegwa
nabwo nicyo kubagambira uburu nababwibira polling stations. Some of the candidates don't facilitate their agents. Hatharga yo candidate in a sentence you ngo wa muntu warukumwe wija muheta ikintu cyo kibagambira bagambi banaka
nowe katwashaba nabandi nanisha ba professionalism butakaturga kora umurimo tushemereye gukora utakutujumisa batakutwanda maininga batakwija kutera amabara hiturandukora nare bakatuimaga wanogenda munywana wanje rero ndade bakakwima ako kunywa nari bakakutera amabare.
Lieutenant Wilson Byabona chairman wa NRM ahabwa district age ashabire ba registrar bamagombora okwehara okugwera rubajo
bara no kimanyi ino muntu okusajika ntabogono member wange wa parliament rundi onu police muteko kuba neutral
ahabwa kwehara emivuye yabiro mu karora kahwire aha murundo ogo nibija katera hashaha zomwe kandi otari mu register tar kwija ketabamo
tugenda kwikara
omugandi abarikwenda kuhayanura entebe yo kwate bendera ya NRM batandikire kwehandikisa kwetaba mu karoro akarukoza kuterwa
mwini ndarikabare mabona abakamuje to mukanso burusere yone kurangwa bari mubona bayizumbira kuza kwihanisa mukiko kwa NRM
kandi kwembaha mutima kurani nkunda kamwenge yanje ngomo ndi kamwenge kotero rutambo konka noreba nitukira kuremaremwa konkanywa ku mutima gwanje gwa kamwenge nkunda kamwenge
abarokoro kuteza karoro ahabwa NRM mu district ya Kamwenge nibagira ngo kwehandikisa kutandikira ebirabiro nabena kandi no kwija kwa ebiro 30
abantu binji bakwijumbira
haza aba baratekereza exercise neye kiro kimwe congo nico tanapu yabera nyine konka ningezaho kubamanyisa
Benana na Biri Gasha kwa Ferpo Murangira na Anthony Twine.
Umurebe witu wa TV Sto Burunzi ni kusima webare aho kuturebera hona kandi na no kutorana okureba TV West naza kugaruka mpomureho ni ingaruka na makuru gandi.
Ati bamwe abana nobenda white collar jobs only emirema ya office yene etu nucangwa abana mwana muzayishomero murebe mukubasa kushoma ebe mukubasa kushoma bikabegesa skills ezo nyincha kare mukaba mu ruhu hate binte byo mukono gine akatari okukira nangwana nebyo muti nagwe echo omashomero aminji ebyo kushoma ebyo kose mukono biriyo nucabangu muzo mashomero agago mukubasa kuyama emyuga nyincha kare kabahwira.
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasete kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ari Mbaguta Street muri Mbarara City ukumanya biri kukiraho tera noti mushanjo mukaga itano chenda na mwenda ananina tina events nito tuango muri burengero bwizoba abino buhereza umurembe
Umuzeire ukayenzera umwana wawe yashomera muri Kampala ukayenzera umwana wawe agira ubwire bwo misho burunji utakarebera handi reba twakuretera mu gishangugu Green Top School pre-primary and primary twine uburaro burunji abana nibariyaje environment ninunji nitukurakuranya talent z'abana hari okuzana umupira farming okosa computer okweshongora nebindi binji kandi byo kwerinda nibirunji twine motoka zo kubatambuza twine n'abashomesa batendekirweje nitushangwa harumaya nanziga Masaka Road tuterera hanamba zesimu 0 hashatu ni 00 oba tuterera hari 0 mukagina anana munana shanju ni 5 00 Green Top School pre-primary and primary learn today lead tomorrow.
Katochi yeino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo okurugera izoba abantu banje tibaregaruka kugire nakwa hamutima ryaguma bina mashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya echa katochi mugume munywecho katochi yeino bunuzi bwayo katochi kerya hamutindo katochi yeina chama chayo muhute katochi yerya hamutindo Katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
na hatokikiriza ngurika shemeryo kutandika kwega hatshori inzira ngo abazi yamero ruju ahari Elias nasare na primary okwehandisha ko mwaka 2025 kuriyo kujanda misho ahamuga nkuru zishomero rwebihurosero korano rya town council Mbarara City abashomesa bitu nemirya abana nibareberwa kurunji kandi byo kwerinda bimemize shonda zona nangu nebisere byishomero nibasibwa buryomwe okwenda kumanya buri kicaraho 0 mukaga mushanju cyenda na mwenda 20 na mushanju cyenana na mushanju na 0 mushanju ina mukaga cyenda ni 3 nshanju na 8 cyenda nemwe
Aliana Junior School a great start.
Mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kitufu inache walya nguza bizigo kumpi container namba biganye sagala kufanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususulu twawudde kaibando musajja ngobya lususulu nemeseza amaka kule bizigo wisige ebizigo byonna biganye olususulu kulemesa amaka kikino gulo handi and body cream mbadembe gulide mukazi wange
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusube kansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder ifune maduka wona ne mu supermarkets. otweraronda piki ndungi ezirya mulembe ziranywa mpora naryona birakanika za piki aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited abanashangwa kizimba cha parts za bajaji na senke omusenke emipira ya piki na tubes omotaps zona za Golden Choice na Bosen Total Lubricants oil za petrol na diesel hamwe na Total Grease UB Aero Batteries omuhorosero na Riti Comet Oil omu half liter na liti 5 otebwe kumenya kika cha roller kirakoza za spares za bajaji boxer kandi wagura n'aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited transport ne yabusha mpako wawe hona mu Western Region okushubura tera noti 3 23 nkaga ni 2 18
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best doctor in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like a geisha bar, staying strong and going so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha. Mommy?
Yes?
At school, everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa. Honey, mwana muwe.
Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
Omakuru ageshweketi abeja ba senior ya kana hamwe na senior ya mukaga ahishomere rya Rwansinga Secondary School omuri district ya Mbara bahirwe obuhwezo bwa reusable pads okurigera aharumweso gwa Edmond ohire y'obuhwezo ubu ekigenderwa no kwenda kwinegezo kushoma okomwana wo mwishiki
abeji baruki kigani 10 ayishomero rya Rwansinga Secondary School omuri Mbara district nibo bahirwa obuhwezo bwa reusable pads kandi basimire mweso gwa Edmond obaherizo obuhwezo obu.
So you're going to push this pad inside these pockets. All these ones are sun drying. Heavy na pads zes munani. Are we together?
Kuni puraje awaona lebu pads ya tuletera kubanga obiro kwintetempoza kumukashomera usanga musopinisi twateka pads omuzire yakwerezemo kandi takubasa kumarisa tamuyo
ile no shanga a shopping list twateka honka pads zikitana muzira kwema mwen hatumate ya mwateretereza akanye muyibane
kandi kigenderera kitu kapala research twashanga tabazira turakweba yasajje kugurira abana ba pads kandi abishya abantu bashaka batunga challenge impango no omushomo itine pads zezi batamo kushoma batamo kujo mu class so tuyekozeremo murumu mpabana batuba support go kubahereza reusable pad igipad no gikoresa up to 6 years wajumuhe senior 1 ne mutwara up to senior 6 atatunjira ubuzuru muzire asevinga akasente kugura pads
orukureberera bicyayishomereri ningashi Metron asimire Edmond abo kwateraho umwana wo mwisi
twari umushobo kubasima nonga kureba ngo mwamanyishe muri kandi mwagaruka mwamanya abana etibara kwenda na munonga kipatirine na pads ezeze mwaturetera ninundi munonga aboko baneswera omuzire kugira ngo atakaspendinga esente nyingi
nde Evans Taremwa abwa TV West Agacencwire
webare Evans Taremwa nkaguma hamuringo ogo kutungura ebyakaramagezo mu mashomero mukuru wihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ahirishomere rya Bwambara Secondary School za computer 20 eziyabire abaraganise eshuminche hwiri
Major Jim Mwezi, All Minister w'ebyokwerinda niwe akwasiza ishomerere computer ezi zikaraganisibwa mukuru w'ihanga obwatayira omwanyogo
computers 20 is president wa Uganda yaraganise Bwambara Secondary School kandi Simba aba Uganda Communications Commission abo kutuhereza nitwe tuforowingira apu twareba ngo izi ibintu bya president yaka abana bishumira kandi twashemererwa kureba ngo abana bishumira byo mu cyaro nabo bagira computers.
Because Brambara Secondary School has been missing out on A level, having ICT as one of the major subjects at A level, we have been missing out.
Menisa Jimwezi nagira ngo abeje kugira imico mirunje nje kongera kubayisya abusinguzi omishomo yabo.
Take your education very serious, don't get diverted.
Bo abeje abazaga muri TV West basimere abebembese omuri President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni na Minister Jim Muhwezi.
Kati challenge kusanga kati bantu nako kuparira ICT mu olevo shanga tabura computers konka koja mutuzibona sala mu tujira mu olevo
Omugandi obu arikugamba n'abazire Alchiora High School omuri Ntungamo more kobusinje ashabira abazire okuza abuzora misho na munonga okureba ngo eminyeto yakura eine michwe emirungi.
Mwana wo misho farmers mureke twabana bona ako wa farmers wenka na jakuka no mozo wabo mweno pe bangabana bati mwena bana bona nibingana mureke bona tubafeho babase kugamu abana barunzi
nimba higa ngo mugume mufeya hamico y'abana ahabwo kuba itwe nibatumanya nk'abantu aba strict nyonkanye nibanjira ngundi ready with no compromise ekinkubere ready with no
abukora kurungi ebyizo nokona butando babeje babene baruga amukoro go kuvugana president amakuraga gasha kwa Dan basibye na Anita Atkunda.
Bo aba State House badabukira abakozi b'ebyamagara ahabwo gukora bingwatire ki omuri district ya Kanungu bwanyuma yo kushanga ngo ko shahamirimo na no kwija kicerezi baguhindurire mu muze umukuru.
President General Kaguta Museveni
okurigirira hari Robert Arnitwe oyebembire horro yo kucebera abakozi n'emirimo ekozerwa mu district ya Kanungu ayorekere ko hari habashaho abatwire nebebuzabuza omukore emirimo ya government.
Investigation n'umarwaro ganye gondo twashanga yes government nesenike mbazeje okay because buri rwaro tubenstahamu kandi tugira umugombora zone okay marwaro bigombora zone ibintu shabimbarira ye mbazi okay doctor bariaho wakanu nabasa ugono wakanu wele center na manye bitwara bere muti corona sto manager we nembarira kuyakoze reke kuyamureme okay
bakijwara uniform z'irwaro kandi abandi nibosha kuzahamiramo
icyo kugamba kuri mugambira kuri abagwire kandi kuri kwijangwire na jango mpumurize kuko cyo kugambira kuri nongaruza hansi
abatora nabo batungira mu gishago kugamba ebaruhize omumarwara ga government hamwe n'abakozi bayo
abarwire barabaga binji emibaze kajeraki ekabamiki abagwire baga binji emibaze kabamiki abagwire baga binji abashawo bakaba baki ngeni mwe kumurugurambura imwe programu mugitwinire tuta kugira ngo tubone ngo twanigana n'abashaho
twasima government kurengwa abantu abari mu rugari president batrikaho nobaje muziro wenyima oze kujya roni omwana mutwaro mu nursing school ashome yamara kushoma baza kuri yakorera abaklinika benyima ngo imirimo ya government kuza kujibona munobanza batugaza miliyoni nyingi ato muzire bamukomere none yarira rukushomesa omwana kuri yagume nabona byona bigume bigumire bwano basebo mumwijire mutuyambe itaba rukushomesa omwana yayikanko bunasi ningo midwife ningo doctor omurimo gwa government nagubona
bari ukukora ibitukora je babireba n'ibitarije nababireba konka muhero twagira ngo uko ikoro yitsi ya government ya NRM tura ite tukora abantu mbenu
State House tekuije mu cyanga ekamara mu biro ubona rero bakabura kwanjura abaturage ebitsire bikorwa.
Gasha kwa Hweza Wilfred ahabwa TV West.
Webare Hweza Wilfred nazagaruka mpumureho ningarukana n'amakuru y'ebyemizano.
I don't make you happy. All that time you would be complaining. I'll call you every day. Yeah, yo, baby, don't know.
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000. Or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app. When we talk together, we are unstoppable.
Akakiiko k'okuteeza obururu nekamanyisa abanyayuganda mwena kukarukuza kushohoza amazina g'abateezi b'akaruru okuruga 2025 by'okwakana okusya 2015 by'okwakatano 2025. Akakiiko karukurabira omukashare ka 2006 eya Electoral Commission Act nako kushohoza amazina g'abateezi b'akaruru okuruga shahi 2 z'akasheshe okusya shahi 12 z'omwabazyo omyanya yona eyokutereramu akaruru omwihanga. Ekigendererwa n'okuhamya ebihandiiko ebikukwasireho ebihikire kandi n'okuhamya abatari kuterera omyanya egyo hamwe n'abafiiri. Weno wayihandikisize akashanga izina rye ritarimu nayikirizibwa kwegambaho bakamugita mu rukararooru orurukuza kushohozibwa okuruga 2016 okwakatano okusya 2026 by'okwakatano 2025. Ebindi ebirukwata hakuteeza akaruru bishanja hamutimbagano gwa Electoral Commission www.ec.or.ug ninga ahari buri offices zona omwihanga.
Mothers of Africa.
Mama, will I ever be the best daughter in Uganda?
Well, you've got to be like Agacencwire bar. Staying strong and go on so far. Never give up till you reach your goal.
Okay, Mama. I'll be strong and go so far. Lasting long like this geisha bar.
Strong and last long.
Like geisha.
Wena muhurikirize Truth 256 live in concert. Evroma kumya na mukaga byo kwakana enguto zona nizorekera Mbalala University in Ngomeshongo Truth 256 live in concert. Obwashagatirwa beshongo z'abandi baburenje rwizoba hamwe na Uganda yona okutahamu ordinary n'umutwaro gumwe VIP n'emitwaro 3 silver tip imitwaro 50 kandi gold tip ni miliyoni emwe yonka bishagirwa Pepsi Fenon event Global Coaches Country Cinema Acacia Country Inn na Tim Bakery.
Hey kids, we're going to count today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enjoy 5 ways to love your baby, smoothen and protect your baby's skin with 5 new gentle formulations. Original to nurture your baby, aloe vera to protect your shibubu skin, cocoa butter to comfort your pinku, mild scent to soothe your little one, and avocado to soften your buju skin. Available in all supermarkets, retail shops, and cosmetics shops near you. Move it, baby jelly. All day confidence.
Omumakuru g'ebyemizano President wa FIFA Engineer Moses Magogo ashabira abaziire okugumana biikiriza abaana baabo okwetaba mu byemizano.
President wa FIFA banange ebyemizanyo kintu kirungi abazadde mwena abali wano mukkiriza abaana bammwe bakozese ebitone byabwe kubanga ebitone birungi nnyo era bisobola okuvaamu abantu ab'omugaso. Natambudde Mwami Hassan Biruma Waswa eyali kapiteni wa Uganda Cranes uno wano mu maaso bamwanjudde dda naye mu nnyonyi ya Uganda ebabazanyi abatuuzayo mu Africa Cup of Nations nga twakamala emyaka 40 nga tetugendayo. Abavubuka basamba omupiira obazzeemu amaanyi ate n'abaana abawala nabo omwe bali bakkiriza kuzannya mupiira. Wano basawe bali kutambula nange.
Tukwenda kuzaale ebyemisaano mbanye kiri second edition ya tournament egi. Ogawire tukakola atya tuimprovingire kandi okuimprovinga kwitu niko kwaleeta ya President Saro. Mwenu nyenda kutukume twongeremu amaani buli mwaka ebyemisaano ni bikuru omu ihanga lyaitu.
Tugumizamu omizano y'empaka eza liga y'ihanga eyazanwa eriizooba tiime ya Rugazi FC yaruga enyuma okusinga aba Bright Stars na goals 3-1 kandi yo polisi yasinga URA na goal 2-0 konkamba Raste neja kuzana ahizoobe lya nyenkyakare barukutayayira KCCFC achayi ekyarugogwo muri Kampala.
With that ball, but finally gets back to it again. Bunjo! What a strike there from outside the 18-yard box. Oh, how he managed to craft that was something you want to see again. But the little man finds space between the goalkeeper and the pole. Football club can have a chance. No one there to meet that ball in the back of the net. It goes. And the noise tells the whole story. They've waited and waited to find a way back. Oh, what a perfect strike there, on time. Forcing that ball, Lukazi on the ball, they go again. Could we be in for a third one? Strike inside and another. Oh my goodness. What about that for a finish? And this young man is turning everything upside down. They've turned the game. And they finally seal the deal.
Agonigo makuru aguna abasa kusyaho konka kukubasa kuba wakundo kunjwire ninjwe kwa aba Bright Suits nibashangwa ahagati ningashas High Street omurembo rwambara ahari La Grand Building ekizimbe kirumu Equity Bank no basaniwe kubashirira ubase kuba norebe kaze nkanyi wana kusya makuru Agacencwire ndi Elias Rutugusa kandi ninkwendeza weekend nunji otakarga TV West.
Emeto ya makuru nekukibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform. St. Ambrose Institute of Health Sciences. Turyaba kugom kutendeka kurunja abanansi n'abazarisa ahidara lya certificate. Abeji nibashomesebwa abakugu kandi baheba omugisha kwekwatira mu bibari kwega.
Agacencwire kireti amahiga UPDF nagazira ngo bwahati abazahambuke ba ADF gaba maziramani. Opolisi ayitendekero ryo polisi